Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the southern wing of the Stinkbug Works. Today, I'm about to glue in the last major part, and as I'm thinking about it, I'm getting real close to tearing it all down and sending it into the paint shop. All I need to do is to mount this servo, to mount the little carbon fiber tab that will hold a turn fin, and I need to mount my little prop shaft seal, and that'll be pretty easy. I've already marked out the holes. I have to go in and clean out those marks again. Anyway, we're rapidly approaching decision time, and here's the decision I'm looking at. I really don't know where the height of this ball end is in relationship to this, so I can only kind of estimate it until I actually shorten this push rod to fit. But I want to kind of get it up here in this upper quadrant right there when it's at neutral. So depending on where this is, see, I may have to put a little bend in it. I don't know. I'm gonna cut this off today and see if we can make it work. So there you go. Just a quick update. This thing is going to go into the paint shop real soon. While the glue is going off for this, I cheated on this. I put it over on the heat lamp, so I got it done in a day. So I'll do the same thing for this. I'll glue it down and put it under the heat lamp. But I'm thinking I may have to put a little bend in it. I don't like doing that. I like these to be a perfectly straight run. That way there's less chance of any slop in there. So there you go. Just a quick update. These batteries just barely fit. I may move my ESC back 1/4 of an inch, which means I'll have to shorten this little bit of hose right here by 1/4 of an inch, because this bit of hose is what determines the longitudinal placement of that speed control. So I'll just shorten that up 1/4 inch, because I'm having real trouble plugging these in. I had to actually had to remelt the heat shrink right here to allow the wires to go right down along the battery, and then when I tighten up the straps, it'll hold the wire right there, so I can just barely make the connection with the battery all the way at the back. So that's good. That's good. It tells me I don't have excess wire in here. Okay, boys and girls, now I can jet out. Here we are, boys and girls, on the eastern wing of the Stinkbug Works. As you can see, I have my servo clamped in place, and I've just put a couple of drops of tack epoxy onto that mount, and once that cooks off, I'll pull the servo out, and then I'll pack a whole bunch of epoxy and milled fiberglass underneath that thing. You can see where the bottom of the hull kind of dips and such to make way for the strakes and the different shapes of the bottom. So I'll just fill those with shredded fiberglass. And I'm sitting on top of that bright light there. That's my illegal 100-watt light bulb. So there you go. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.